Hi everyone. Welcome today. Today in the additional of today's newspaper of Saturday, May the 23rd, 2020. In this additional, we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So in this additional total of 6 Sudokus, and we will start with the first one, a Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the 4 in this row, a 4 in the row below? So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. And then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And we have a pair here. 2 numbers with the 5 and with the 8. 5 and the 8 in the first row, 5 and the 8 in the second row. So in the last, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 and the 8 should be here as a pair. 5 and the 8, 5 and the 8. That means in this row, the third row, one of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be here. These 2 numbers left for the third row are for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4 are left. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for a 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, The only two places for a 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for a 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used, I can see, yes. And now, the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. There are 6, so no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The only two places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here, or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. These 3 numbers in the last row, the missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. I see here 1 and a 2. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. So 1 digit left for the 8. Here we have the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. I see here a 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 1 should be here. I see 1 missing number in this big square for the number 5. 1 missing number in the last column for the number 9, I believe, yes. Two missing numbers in the second column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 5 should be there. One number left in this column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. No, we have a 9 here. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. No. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 3. 3. This should be a 3. Alright, we have a 3 here. So in this row we have a 3 here. In the middle row we have a 3 over there. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 4, I believe. Yes. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 1. 1 is missing. And 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 4 and 5. No, we have a 4. 5 and 2. 5 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square, the numbers 5 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku with 1 star. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional A Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you and bye bye for now.